So I've been an avid user of the bullet journal system for the last 10 years, and last year I thought I would experiment a little bit and I introduced a daily diary into my routine. So I went with the Hobonichi Techo Original Size in the Avec. I found this on Vinted, and someone was selling the second half of the year because they found that it was too small for them, which was great for me because I could experiment without spending full price on the two books, and it worked really well. I really enjoyed daily diarying in this, and then did like some art things in the front, which kind of petered out towards the end of the year. But yeah, I really enjoyed working in here. So much so that I thought to myself I would put everything, like what I'd been bullet journaling and what I'd been daily diarying, into a cousin size Hobonichi Techo Avec. However, we're now at the start of April and I'm really struggling with the size of it and not having that separation from daily tasks and diary entries. So I did the same as the person did last year, which helped me get this. I sold the second half of the year on Vinted, and I'm going to move my systems into a Hobonichi Weeks and a Techo Original Spring Start. They're both Spring Start, and then I can transfer bits from this one into here, and I'm so excited about it. The weeks will literally be day-to-day planning. I've already put something in the front. Day-to-day planning, keeping myself organised, and then the Techo will be a daily diary with some of the doodler days in the front, and kind of just creative diary entries. So yeah, today's video, part one, is going to be setting up and decorating my weeks, and then part two will be setting up and decorating the Techo. So for the organisation part of my system, I went with the Hobonichi Weeks in black with the white stripe. It was between this and the black gingham, I think it was called. And yeah, I went with this mainly because I really wanted to use this cute Guillermo sticker that used to be on the front of a commonplace book that I've had to repurpose. The grid size was so small and too small for my writing. I felt like I was straining my eyes using it, so I cut him out, and he's gonna live in the front as a little protective entity to my notebook. So I've got black and white washi tapes. I'll pop in the description where these are from, and I've also got a pack of Not a Dream stickers from Hobonichi, which will work really well with this colour like theme as well. So I will get on with decorating and setting up some pages, and then I'll get back to you at the end with a little bit of a chatty tour. So yeah, I'll catch up with you in the end. So I was much more indecisive than I thought I was going to be for decorating this cover. I just ended up with the Not a Dream stickers. I will be putting a clear cover on this to keep them safe because they're like a paper texture rather than glossy. So yeah, cover on to keep those nice and clean. I decided to put Nadja inside, not me writing 2006 or I don't know what was going through my head there, but I'll either fix it off camera or maybe put something over the top of it, potentially, but for now it does say 2026. We've got Guillermo, we've got Nadja, and I did end up just using this one washi tape, which I've used quite a lot of it. You can see how like slim it is. I will pop the artist in the description box for that washi. So for this year at a glance, I've just put down dates that reoccur every single year, people's birthdays and anniversaries. I might do some more cute stuff to it eventually, but for now it's just for organisational purposes. I think it's nice to have it quite clear so that you can see everything really easily. So for April, I've just put a little bit of washi tape and a moon from the Not a Dream set. And yeah, because this is purely for organisational purposes, I don't want to use too much ephemera and stickers and things. It is going to be a working from my brain notebook. So I want it to look pretty, but I don't want to spend too much time like decorating and making this look pretty. And then at the back I pre-organised a few things that I definitely want to keep track of in here. So a budget packing list for when I go visit family and friends, a waiting on list that's supposed to have that's supposed to have a T. I do that sometimes when writing T's, don't put the cross across it. Waiting on, so things that I've ordered and I'm waiting on, things that I've sent, sold on Vinted or what have you, and then a wish list. And again, just went simple with this washi tape here and another of the Not a Dream stickers. I will fill these out, my monthly budget, probably off camera. It's not something I'm going to share on here. Packing list, waiting on list, again I'll fill out on off camera. Sent. And I'd like list. And just, if in doubt, little stars. It's always good. So that's part 1 of this little series. Part 2 will be decorating and organising my Hobonichi Techo. So yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.